Hi students, in part 2 of the video on the Indian Constitution, we learned about the key features of the Indian Constitution. One of the key feature of Indian Constitution is that fundamental rights. Our Constitution guarantees 6 fundamental rights. They are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, educational, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Let us know more about each fundamental rights. First, right to equality. All persons are equal before the law. It means all persons shall be equally protected by the laws of the country. It also states that no citizen can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, caste, or gender. Second is right to freedom. This includes the right to freedom of speech and expression, right to form associations, right to move freely and reside in any part of the country, and right to practice any occupation. Third, right against exploitation. The Constitution prohibits buying and selling of human beings, forced labor, and employment of children under 14 years of age. Fourth one is right to freedom of religion. According to this, religious freedom is given to all citizens. Every person has the right to practice, profess, and propagate the religion of their choice. Next one is cultural and educational rights. The Constitution states that all minorities can set up their educational institutions in order to preserve and develop their own culture. Sixth one is right to constitutional remedies. This allows citizens to move the court if they believe that any of their fundamental rights have been violated by the state or individuals. We have studied fundamental rights given by the Constitution. Same like rights, we have certain fundamental duties also. Fundamental, fundamental duties means it shall be the duty of every citizen of India. Our constitution mentions 11 fundamental duties. They are as follows. Follow the constitution and respect its ideals and institution, the national flag and the national anthem. To cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom, to uphold and protect the unity and integrity of India, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so, promote harmony and brotherhood among people irrespective of their religion, language, and regional and sectional diversity, value and preserve the rich cultural heritage of the country, protect and improve the national environment including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, be compassionate for living creatures, develop the scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform, protect public property and renounce violence, strive towards excellence in every field of personal and collective activities so that the nation constantly rises towards higher levels of development, provide educational opportunities to the children between the age of 6 and 14 years. Here we come to the end of the chapter.